think I'm in love with objects. I like to use them, touch them, own them if they are worth. I think it's a kind of therapeutic value in seeing your design coming to life. It's the same satisfaction that gives me a little shiver on my back when you see people using your designs, experimenting or having fun. At the end of the 90s, together with the CEO of Modo, we had the idea to design a series of giant outdoor toys based on the experience that I had designing scientific exhibitions with my father. The Science Park is a smart way of furnishing public spaces with these fascinating exhibits or games designed to arouse curiosity. The Science Park is today the nearest thing possible to the concept of a fun open-air museum. It has been widely used by landscape architects all over the world. I think with this series of products, together with benches, bicycle racks, and bollards, we helped many cities to reevaluate their outdoor spaces. I love taking ideas from different fields and I always speak continuously about this process called synesthesia.
Synesthesia is a powerful tool to drive innovation, and for that reason, in a way, it can be a method to predict the future.
This is a non-contact thermometer, for example. The original thermometer resembled a gun. It was immediately understood that less threatening redesign was required. The client for these power banks and USB keys is a major player in the so-called freebie promotional market. These are products that are branded with the same name of a company and usually given away for free. They also sell royalty-based products by Lucasfilm, Pixar, whatever, Disney and others. So they require devices that could be easily rebranded but have to be comfortable inside a manager's leather suitcase, for example. So these were designed with an eye to appearance, using gold finishing, silver and shiny plastics. They're still a top seller for the company and have been much imitated by their competitors. This is pretty interesting as well, because VR glasses are often cheap pieces of plastic that users prefer to keep in their drawers. These were the first truly stylish VR glasses. They have all the finishing and all the details of a Prada bag. They also solved the mechanical problem of holding the phone by means of a nanotechnology-based sticky pad, so they keep the headset comfortable and light for a longer use. Oh, China, yeah. I spent 6 years in China managing my company TR & Partners, delivering public speeches about design and designing product and interior as well. And the amount of products that we designed and delivered there has been incredible. Many of the Kickstarters and Indiegogo startups, they do pass by Shenzhen at some point, creating a very fertile environment. I designed lots of audio products like this one, where you can hold your phone as well in a landscape or portrait mode. This Bluetooth speaker shaped like a clamp looks like a friendly Pac-Man. This is another portable audio device. It has a pretty good sound quality actually. This Scala speaker was the first speaker with color changing lamp that you could attach to the standard screw attach like a normal bulb in your home. This is actually the small version that was sold in the Apple stores. This is a phone for people that don't want to carry a phone, basically. You can attach it here and go for a run, for example. A body massager for the Korean market. A set of sleeves for MacBook Pro and iPad with different positioning and functions. A bottle of Baijiu. This cube-shaped design makes it shorter than traditional bottles. At the bottom of the base is shaped like the mountains where the liquor is produced. This bracelet detects heart attacks and makes an emergency call to a specific number. This dock for iPhones was created when everybody was fighting over the size of the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, and it holds both of them. This is a food tester. It tests the sugar content and the radiation level in fruits, vegetables and meat. A small electronic cigarette. This is a router that keeps an eye on your Wi-Fi network. Oh, this is the boss switch. It overrides all the other Wi-Fi connections that are used in the same network. Simply an inventive way of getting your kids to dinner. Prototyping and coding is a crucial part of the daily activity of a product designer. Because clients want more sophisticated and controlled details, we have to print a lot. This camera, for example, monitors the consumption of products in refrigerators of supermarkets. It has many different accessories and mountings. These are aluminum joints. You can create infinite structures and combinations. I love working with startups, and sometimes I have tried to create some, like the company Cardboard Furniture. It produces what the name says. And this series of products is entirely made from 80% recycled and 100% recyclable cardboard. Ciclipede was a startup venture which was never a commercial success, although there are still a few prototypes used in Milan. Ciclipede was supposed to be the first 26 inches foldable bike made to fit into the trunk of a car. Also, the foldable bike concept with the big wheels has been around for a long time. Their folding systems always pivot in the center of the bike. So Ciclipede has a new sliding folding system that folds the bike automatically. So it's perfect for commuting.